It feels amazing to now know that I've got a tool to be able to offer that 100% guaranteed solution or to really see a shift and transformation in someone's life, in a woman's life. That feels amazing. So fear of rejection has affected my family situation, my children, my husband. My husband left 3 years ago, and I do know that fear of rejection was a big part of that from my own point, because I was trying to control things to not have that feeling of rejection coming up again, which inevitably happened anyway, because my resistance was so big and I wasn't addressing the fear. It's always been a big one for me, so I would have been a 10 for a very long time. Not being good enough, I would rate 9 out of 10. The cost of not being good enough, again, that I'm not fulfilling what I came here to do, that I will stay small, and it will affect my children. Not seeing me reaching my full potential will affect my immediate environment, and I want them to know that they are good enough, regardless of who they are, to follow their path in life, and the same for me. And I feel that I have the tools and strategies to help women break through their limiting beliefs and to really become a better version of themselves. I'm definitely good enough to do this. I feel very confident. I have a confidence, and I feel good enough to do this. I can't really say anything else about it because I don't feel it. I don't feel that I'm not good enough to do my work. I just want to go out there and do it. So fear of rejection doesn't even come into the picture. It's not important. I don't care. I don't really, I care. Couldn't care less what anyone else thinks, because I just want to go out there and make a difference, and that's all I care about. So I've done a lot of courses, a lot of self-development things. So as I said, did 3 years of working through a lot of stuff that was coming up for me, there's nothing else that you can compare it to. And all the other things, they go over a long period of time, cost a lot more money, and it's not a solution, it's not long lasting. It's something that you have to keep working at. And it's so boiled down to one incredible, so effective tool that works so quickly. And compared to other courses, this is like nothing else I've ever done before.